You got that thing oiled down? Meal prep on the grill. First thing we're doing today, sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes on the grill take approximately 40 to 50 minutes. So obviously, you want to put them on first. So the first thing we're going to do, wash them off, get them ready for the grill. Now we got the sweet potatoes washed off. They're almost ready for the grill. All we're going to do, cover them in a little bit of vegetable oil, put a little bit of salt on them, cover them fully, tightly in aluminum foil, and place them on the grill for 40 to 50 minutes. Oh yeah. You got that thing oiled down? Now that we got them things oiled down, a little bit of salt. We're gonna wrap each one like this here, nice and tight in that foil. Boom. For sweet potatoes on the grill, you want your grill to be approximately between 400 and 500 degrees. Right now, we're almost at a perfect middle on that temp gauge right there, baby. So we're gonna set these on the warming rack. 1, 2, 3. Almost forgot how to count to 3. 4. Oh, that's right, ladies and gentlemen. Kids at home, make sure you use tongs. All right, I have arms of pure steel. You understand me? So I can do it. Then we're gonna leave those on for 40 minutes and go prepare our meat.
Your chair.
I know what it was. I'm trying to see that money. I broke that bitch. Next up, now we got our steaks out. Each one of these ribeyes is a little bit thicker, so we're gonna throw them on at the same time as we have those sweet potatoes on. For these steaks, listen, I like my food seasoned. Bodybuilding, weightlifting, fitness doesn't have to be boring. You understand me? It's okay to have a little salt in your life, I promise. We're using Slap Your Mama, black pepper, and of course, Montreal steak seasoning. We're getting ready to put this meat on the grill. We're gonna take a second here. Sweet potatoes been on the grill now for about 5-10 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and give them a little turn. Now that we've done that, we got the steaks ready for the grill. Now, one thing about these here steaks is they are a little bit bigger. So we're gonna cook the steaks by themselves so as to not overcrowd the grill. We got some chicken going on the grill as well right now. We're gonna do that by itself. I do have a dual grill where I have a gas grill as well. I'm out of gas, so we're working with charcoal today. I love the old school flavor of charcoal anyway. That's how I grew up, that's how I live. So charcoal it is. Now that those are in there, we're gonna let those bad boys cook for a couple minutes and then come back out and give them a flip. All right, steaks been on the grill for about 5 minutes. I really like to flip them every 2 to 3, but it's okay. Steaks are getting to the point where they're almost done, so we're gonna go ahead and start preparing our chicken breasts. All right, so we got our steaks at a good internal temperature between 140 and 150 degrees, which means they should be a perfect medium well. For the chicken breasts, you're gonna wanna lock that flavor in because they can easily dry out. So, in order to do that, we got a little bit of Dale's seasoning. And this is just a marinade. We're gonna do a very, very thin coat over the chicken to kind of baste it. We don't want too much sodium, but this is the grill. You don't necessarily have to do this, but this is just something I personally have always done, always like to do. So that's what we're doing today. All right, now just gonna use good old salt and good old pepper. Now that we got this chicken done this season, we're ready to throw it on the grill. Just like for the steak, you want the temperature of your grill to be between 400 and 500 degrees. Once again, we had about a good 410. That's okay. Once we put this on, it will cool down. So we'll just close the covers to kind of seal that heat in. Now that we got those chicken breasts on the grill, we're gonna come back about every 5 minutes to check on them, but you want to leave them on for about 20 to 25 minutes. Now it's been about 40-50 minutes, like I said before. Now our sweet potatoes should be done. How do you test if they're done? squeeze them with tongs. If they are, as so, you see that? Huh? Yeah. You see how it's a little squishy, but not too squishy. They should be done. Let's test it and see. Yeah. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go in, take them out of the foil real quick, and place them back out on the grill to crispen up the exterior skin. Huh? How about that? How about that? Let's go ahead and give these bad boys here a flip. A flipperski. Look at those breasts cook. Who let them cook? Huh? Last item, asparagus. Yeah, just like that. Yeah.
Stop talking.
Yeah, just like that. Yeah.
Shut the.
Himalayan pink salt. And we got those things oiled down, salted up. They ready for the grill. That's right. Come on, y'all.
Ooh, did you?
Come on, y'all. Yep. Nice. Medium well. Let's see how it tastes. Mmm. Juicy. Tender. Succulent. But ladies and gentlemen, don't take my word for it.
And I'm picky. It's good.
That's right. You heard it here first, folks. It's good. It is pretty good. I'm hungry and fuck. You want the internal temperature of the chicken to be about 160. Look at that, huh? This looks like 160 to me. You say what?
There's a glare.
Scoot in on that bitch. Come on now.
Still can't see it.
Lock in. That's all right, fuck it. They get the point. Boom. Look at that. Look at that, boy. Oh, beautiful. Asparagus on the grill. We got our asparagus looking good and done. Go ahead and pull this off the grill and complete our meal prep containers. We have now completed a set of weekly meal prep. We have asparagus, rice with steak. We also have sweet potato with asparagus and chicken. Hopefully this helps somebody. I forgot to say the asparagus was cooked at about 300 degrees on the grill for approximately 20 minutes until it reached this, nice crispness. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.